The 2003 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, power windows, security system, power door locks, passenger airbag, rear AC, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, passenger illuminated visor mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.